guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be doing a haul video with you all. Well, this weekend was a Black Friday weekend, which means that a lot of brands were either running some discounts or some offers or some or the other deal was going on most of the brands. And then I also managed to get a couple of things for myself. Well, just a few things I managed to get for myself. And I thought why not to also do a haul video with you all, and I'm super excited to actually try some of the things, and I was really waiting and looking forward for this haul video so that I can record it and then start using the products. Without further ado, let's get started with the video right here. Well, I've got a lot of clothing items and I've also bought some makeup from Sephora, so let's probably get started with Sephora and then we'll head for the makeup thing. Let's get started. Okay, there's one thing in particular in this bag that I'm really excited about, but you have to wait for a little longer because I'm going to be revealing that thing a little later in the video. So let's get started with the rest of the products. First thing that I've got is this Huda Beauty palette. Huda was running some discounts, like they were having, I'm not 100% sure because memory, 30% or maybe 40% on lipsticks, and they were also running a discount which was probably like buy two get one. Actually I'm not sure, but like I did not get it on discount because there was no offer on this particular product, and also that buy two get one, buy three get one, some offer like this was going on Huda Beauty, but I just needed one thing and I tried searching for another thing that maybe I like a lipstick, maybe I like this thing. There was nothing that I could find that I wanted to buy, so I just bought this this mini palette because it comes really handy when you have to travel. This is what the palette looks like. I've started using it already. I chose this palette because I wanted all these earthy shades, and it also has darker, so I can use it as a contour. Rest I just wanted plain like matte shadows. I didn't want it glitter because for glitters I have these tiny bottles that I can anyways carry. So first thing is this that I bought from Sephora. The other item that I got is this Rare Beauty Soft Pinch Tinted Lip Oil in the shade Hope. Let's watch it for you guys. It also has this menthol cooling kind of effect to it, so it's really good. I love it. I'm just gonna wipe it because I've got some of the clothing items and I don't want this to stain any of my clothes. Next up is this Sol de Janeiro Bum Bum Cream. It's a Brazilian bum bum cream. We all have heard so much about Sol de Janeiro by this point, and I really wanted to try their products. I still haven't tried any of their products, and this time when my moisturizer got over, did I just break my nail? Okay. My moisturizer got over, so I thought that it is the best time to invest in a new one, and I got this one. I love the fragrance, by the way. It's so good. Let's give it a swatch. I'm just lighting it. It smells so good. It just takes me to Brazil in a way. Usually even I go for like body butters and body lotions, but in winters I think skin gets really dry, so it's a good time to invest in a good cream. This costed me for 3600 rupees for 150 ml, but they were also running discounts, so I got it under 20% off. Next, let's move to the clothing section. I'm gonna start with New first, and I'm gonna start with my favorite pick from New Me. So this is basically a corset kind of situation. I love the color. I think it really looks good on my skin tone. It doesn't come with cuff, it does come with wiring situation right here, and the wiring situation is also right here, which really kind of hugs your body nicely. So this is my first purchase. It is for 199, like 1200 rupees only. So yeah, this is this dress from New Me, which I found. It is very event friendly, or like it's little formal. That's what the dress looks like. It's a very stretchy material, little bit seen-through, I won't lie, but if you will have like a good lingerie, and if you are not having any bulk, because this can really highlight your bulk area. The fabric is really stretchy, very soft to your skin, but it is slightly seen-through. But what a classy piece. It is only for 1439. And yeah, this is my first dress from Yumi. The only dress actually. Did I buy another thing? The other top that I picked up is purely because of the checks that it has. I love my checks, and when I saw this one, because we hardly have, like, none of the brands are actually coming up with checks with the summer patterns, and when I saw this I really fell in love. So it has this lace kind of situation up front with a tiny little cute rose kind of thing that they've put, and it is backless. It comes with a knot from either end. You can tie it on the back, and on top it has a knot kind of situation. This is a real, again, pretty piece. I genuinely fell in love with this. It costed me, it is for $12.99, 1300 rupees it is for. And the last thing that I picked up from the brand is this top. It's a casual top which I already wore and washed also, so obviously it doesn't have a tag on it. But this is this bow, which is printed bow in front, and back is absolutely plain. It's a basic white tee that everyone needs, and this also costed me somewhere in between 1000 to 1500. Now let's move on to the last one, which is from Zara. Now Zara was not running any discount, any sale whatsoever. I guess one of the days, maybe on Friday, they were running sale discount, but I don't know, because I made it on Saturday or maybe Sunday, so I couldn't find any deal, but irrespective, I wanted to buy. So my first item is this dress from Zara. This is the front of this. It is in this military army green kind of color, which has a zipper situation right here up in the front. I usually don't like a full zip in the front, but this fabric was really nice. Like, when I wore it, it just made me look even more slimmer than what I am. So I was like, that's doing the job. Because I don't have anything in this color, I thought maybe I should just get this, and it's going to be very good if I have to style it up. I can wear like a white t-shirt under this, and then on top of that I can wear this dress. It is for I picked up a medium size. Okay, I don't know. Okay, it's for 3290. Next I have this, again, beautiful. Look at this color. I love this color, by the way. This is another dress from Zara that I got. It has I don't know what material is this, but whatever it is, it has this plain vibe going on with a velvety material at the bottom. It is a skirt kind of situation which comes with a buckle that you can adjust as per your fittings, and it reminds me of a very late 1990s or maybe early 2000s, because monkey buckles were very much a thing in early 2000s, so it really reminds me of that. It is a, that's what it looks like. It's a medium-sized midi kind of dress which has a chunky buckle in front and a velvety situation. I think it will complement a lot on taller girls because it has a very long torso kind of situation. As you can see, it's very long, so maybe anyone who's not tall enough may just, they may have their skirt starting from this point or something. So yeah, it costed me for 4,350 rupees, and I picked up a size small in this. Moving on. Now I have a very, very, very cute denim kind of skirt, but it is actually, it just looks like denim. It's not actual denim because denim is very heavy, and it is a very nice fabric. I don't know what fabric is this. This is this skirt kind of situation. Inside is a short with the slits on either side. It also comes with a belt. Such a cute piece. So cute. Oh, I fell in love with this one. Okay, it also has a belt in front. It's a very cute piece, and it costed me for 2,950. Small in this as well. So yeah, the last article that I got from Zara is a matching t-shirt. So this skirt and this, they are actually, it's not the same color, but it's very, very in the same line. So I'm going to pair these two together and we'll create a look out of this. Picked up extra small. It costed me for 2,950 rupees. And the last product for this video is, I told you in the beginning that I'm going to show you later. So on to the reveal. This is, ta-da! The Sol de Janeiro perfume mist. Yeah, it is a perfume mist from Sol de Janeiro. I had heard so much about this mist. The reason it took me forever to buy one of this is because I'm not a mist person. I'm a perfume person. I like my perfume, so I always stick to perfumes. If not, then I go for EDT sometimes. But mist is something which is something which I never ended up buying. Sometimes friends of course gift you, so I have couple of mist. Whenever I go and buy a mist, I usually buy it from Forest Essential, and I use it for pillow covers, cushion covers, because that's really therapeutic for me, because the aroma and everything is really nice when you want to just prepare yourself to sleep. You don't want a perfume, because perfume is really strong when you have to like go to sleep. So I like mist in that cases, but in general I'm not a mist person. This, however, when I tried this, I fell in love. I had heard so much about this brand, especially about the mist. So when I tried it in the store, I fell in love. I was like, this I have to have. So this, okay, by the way, this costed me, this is for 2500 rupees for a 90 ml. Again, I got a 20% discount on this. And I was really excited to try this because I tried it in the mall and I fell in love, and I was like, I need to have this. 62 and 71 are two of my favorite mists from Sol de Janeiro, this particular brand. Last thing, which is actually a gift, is from Sol de Janeiro, because if you shop for like 55 and above, you get a tote bag. It's actually very thick, like it's a good quality. It's a basic bag, जो झोला bag होता है, सब्जी लाते हैं ना जिसमें, that thing it is, with a Sol de Janeiro का this thing going on. So yeah, it's good. Like it's a free gift, so I just got it. This is the last article. And that was it. That was everything which I shopped over this weekend. I am absolutely looking forward for styling this for my Instagram reel, which, by the way, if you're not following me on Instagram, please do so now. Follow me on Instagram. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Give it a big thumbs up. Comment below in the video. Show some love, guys. That was it in today's video. Thank you so much for tuning in. Much love to you all. Adios. Take care. Until next time. Ciao.